चुप रही हो. So let's start the activity. Students, you have played many times this Ludo and Snake and Ladder game, right? This is like exactly like that only, okay? And it's between you and me. This blue peg is for me and yellow is yours, okay? And we are going to play this game with the help of dice. We are going to throw the dice, and whatever number we'll get, we'll move our pegs accordingly and answer the questions, whatever answer question has been written. And if we are not able to answer, we are going to move 2 steps back, okay? And the target is to have the popcorns. So let's see who is going to have the popcorns. Students, you can perform this activity at your home to teach your younger brother, sister, or your parents also. And believe me, it's very enjoyable game. Plus you learn the tenses also. Whatever concept had been taught to you in the previous classes, the questions are based on that only. It's not tough. I know you know all the answers. Even I am scared. Maybe I don't know one of the 2 or 3 answers and you will win. So let's see who is going to win the popcorns. Okay, so let's start. So rule is we have to throw the dice like this. Suppose I get the 4 number, I'll move the pig accordingly, 1 2 3 4, and whatever question has been written, I have to answer that question, okay? And if we are not able to answer, what we are going to do, we'll give the punishment to go 2 steps back, okay? And the target is to have the popcorns first. This is our target. Let's see who is going to have the popcorns first, okay? So let's start. I'll roll the dice on your behalf from here, okay? And but try to answer the questions from your side. I'll answer, but you also should know the answers. And if you don't know the answer, just go through it, what answer I'll give. Okay? So let's start the game. Let's see who will have the popcorn first. Blue one is for me, and yellow one is for you. Okay? So first turn is yours. So I'm going to throw the dice. 3. So 1 2 3. And your question is, he has lost the book that I had given him. Underline the dependent clause. This though I told you, taught you recently. You have to tell the dependent clause. Any idea? Dependent clause? Yes, I know you know that I had lost, that I had given him is the dependent clause. That clause is dependent on the main clause. He has lost the book for its meaning. Okay, complex sentence I told you. There are 2 clauses, dependent and independent. He has lost the book is the independent clause. That I had given him is the dependent clause, which depends on he has lost the book, which is the main clause. This dependent clause depends on the main clause for its meaning. So your turn, you gave the answer. I hope the same answer is in your mind. Okay, so it's my turn now. 2. Okay, so question for me is, we dash our homework regularly. and I have to fill it in simple present tense. We dash our homework regularly. We is a plural noun, and with we use do. Did is for past tense. So I have to fill it do here because I have to fill it here in simple present tense, and did is used for past tense. So right answer. Now it's your turn. Let's see what number you get. Yes, 5. Moving very fast, huh? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Health is preferable to wealth. It is correct statement or incorrect statement? Health is preferable to wealth. So it is correct statement. Yes, it is the correct answer. You win. Now it's my turn. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see what is my question. Naresh is dash then Mohan, and the verb given to me is adjective given to me is strong, and I have to complete the sentence with suitable degree of adjective. Now here two persons are comparing, right? So I think I should use positive degree or comparative degree. Positive, no. Positive is already given, and when two persons are compared, we use comparative degree. So Naresh is stronger than Mohan, right? So I have given right answer. Now let's see what number you get. 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, the same question. Mr. Gupta is my chiefest enemy. Yes, it's your turn, students. Tell me that the statement is correct or incorrect. Yes, I know you know the answer. Yes, it is incorrect. Why? Because chief will remain chief. Whether it is positive, comparative or superlative degree, chief will remain chief. So here chief will come, not chiefest. Okay, correct answer. You are leading, na? Okay, now it's my turn. 2. I got 2. Same question. So if I get the same question what the other person has got, I have to go 3 steps back. Right? 1, 2, 3. Now here I have to answer the feminine, masculine, feminine. You know na, nouns gender. So what is the feminine of horse? Mare. And bull, cow. So I also give the correct answers. Now it's your turn. Again you are leading. 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the question is this cloth is superior dash that than or to. Choose the correct option. This cloth is superior to that. Yes, we have to choose to. Okay, now it's my turn. Very good. 3. 1, 2, 3. Again I am coming on the same question. I have to go 3 steps back, so I will be here, and again same question here, so I'll go back. I'll stay here only, so I missed the chance. Now it's your turn. I think you today it's your day. You are going to have the popcorns. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, your question is choose the correct option. She always speaks English. So speak will come or speaks will come? She. She is a singular subject, and with the singular subject, we use the verb by adding s or es. So here we have speaks. She always speaks English. Right? Good. Very good. I know my students are very intelligent. Now my turn. 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So question to me is, change the given sentence to present tense. Hina wrote a letter to her grandmother. Now I have to change the verb, right? I have to change the verb. So instead of wrote, write will come. Hina write a letter to her grandmother. Hina write a letter to her grandmother. Correct answer? Okay, now it's your turn. 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, again choose the correct option. The guard rings, hits, blows his whistle. This though you know, I know it. The guard blows his whistle. Very good. Now my turn. 3. 1, 2, 3. So I have to tell whether the sentence is present tense or present continuous or past continuous. Tom and Jerry are chasing each other. Are is there. Obviously are is for present tense, right? So it is present continuous tense. So my answer is also correct. Okay, let's see who is going to have the popcorn today. You are only just 3 steps. You're the only 3 steps left. 6. So you can't move 6 steps. It's my turn. Sorry. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you answered the same question. I have to go back. 1, 2, 3. Again, you answer the same question. I have to go back. 1, 2, 3. So, my question is, choose the correct option. The birds dash in the sky. The verb is fly. Flew or flight? Have you ever listened flight? No, flew is the word in past tense. So flew will come. This is the correct answer. Okay, now it's your turn. You need 3 to have your popcorns. Right? Or 1 or 2 on. Okay, 1. Very good. So your question is, the boat sank into the river. Pick out the preposition. Pick out the preposition. Yes. What is the preposition here? The boat sank into the river. Yes, I know, my children. You know the answer. That is into. Very good. Okay, it's my turn now. I got 1. See. So, I have to go here. Okay, I have to move forward. Sorry. Again, this question has been answered here. I think here. Sorry. So, I have to go again 3 steps back. 1, 2, 3. So, my question is, he is the greatest enemy. Is it a correct or incorrect statement? He is the greatest enemy. No, this statement is not correct. Right, because the and the greatest, it doesn't make any sense. He is my greatest enemy. So this statement is incorrect. He is my greatest enemy. The will not come here. Okay, now it's your turn. So it's obvious the winner is obviously my students. 5. Miss the chance. You need 2 or 1 to win. My turn. 6. Very good. I need 6. And 6, 3. 6 and 3. Okay. So I'm going to start my turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. So I'm here. There are 11 players in a cricket team. So it's adjective of number or quality. Um, there are 11 players in a cricket team. Adjective of number or quality. 11 is number or quality? Yes, it's a number. So it's adjective of number. Now let's see who is going to have the popcorn first. You need 2 and I need 1. And don't, if you get 1, you have to go 2 steps back. So don't get 1. 6. You missed the chance. It's my turn. 5. No. 5. No. 3. No. It's your turn now. 2. And you are the winners. So congratulations my students, you are the winners and have your popcorn. I hope you enjoyed today's activity and game. And I'm happy that you are the winner. I want my children to be the winner. Very nice. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed today's activity. And I hope you perform the same at your home with your parents and your brothers and sisters. And it's a learning game. I hope it will help you a lot in learning tenses, verbs, adjectives, prepositions, everything. Like this, you can practice at home and make your studies fun. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.